Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper cone wheel firecracker. So in Tamil, we call this as a Sangu Chakaram. So this is a very easy way of making a paper wheel firecracker, and it is useful too. So if your children are small and they really want to burst firecrackers, you can make these in a small size and you can give it to them, and they are very realistic and they also look like real cone wheel firecrackers. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make these firecrackers in a very easy way. So you'll be surprised to know that we only need a very few materials. So the total materials we need are a rectangular piece of paper and a small rectangular piece of paper like this. That's all we need. Then we need a glue bottle and a scissor. So first I'm taking the rectangular piece of paper and I'm folding it in half. So now I'm folding the paper a little bit past the middle line like this. And now I'm folding the paper again so that the paper will be divided into 3 parts like this. So now I'm folding the paper again so that we'll get a rectangular piece of paper like this. So now I'm just going to be opening this part so that we'll have one part folded to the top. Now I'm taking the glue bottle and I'm applying some glue onto this paper over here. So I'm taking a big glue bottle. You guys can take a glue stick as well. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be using my hand to spread the glue because it's way more easier. But please, you guys can use a glue stick, or you can also use an ice cream stick or a toothpick to spread this. So I'm just taking the glue from over here and I'm spreading it. So after we spread it, I'm just going to be folding the paper like this. So you guys can see other videos for more information about this. So you guys can also take a normal rectangular piece of paper and roll it. But if we make it in this way, it will be more strong. So I'll be telling you guys another way. That is, you can take like a quilling paper that will be more long. And you can stick like 5 to 6 papers together. Then we can start rolling. Then we'll get a big structure like this. But if you're going to be making like this, it will be more thicker. So it's enough if you make one piece of paper like this. So I cut out a rectangular piece of paper from a A4 sheet on the lengthwise side. So you guys can cut it out based on your length. So now, as you see in the first one, I just rolled some glitter foam paper over here for more decoration, which makes it more beautiful. So you guys can make it simply like this, but if you want to make it more realistic, I prefer you guys can roll another paper over here on the top of it. But I'm not going to be doing that because it's going to be taking some time. But if you guys want, you can do that. So next step is that we're supposed to roll it. So for this, I'm just going to be pressing the paper from this side, from the opposite side of the folding, so that it will be like a rounded structure like a cone. Now I'm pressing it in half on this side slowly like this. So now I'm just going to be rolling this paper. So I'm just going to be keeping it and I'm going to be drawing I'm going to be folding the paper at first so that it will be more easy to do it. So I just did it like this. So after we complete this, I'm just taking the scissor and I'm keeping this I'm using the scissor to roll it. So if you're small, please do not use a scissor, you can use something else. So I'm just using it for the beginning and I'm just going to be taking the scissor out and I'm going to be rolling it. Since we got a clear idea about it. So we have to roll it slowly. I'm just going to be rolling it. Or as I said, you guys, if you use a quilling paper, it will be more easier to roll. So you can do that. So we have to do this slowly. And I'm going to be pressing it on the sides as well, so it will be more easier to fold. So after we complete rolling it, I'm just going to be leaving a little bit of space over here so it will look like a toilet paper roll. And we'll have a little bit of paper left. And I'm just going to be applying some glue over here on this paper. And now I'm just going to be sticking it like this. So I'm just leaving some space so that we can put the part in which we'll put the fire in, check the fire. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking a small rectangular piece of paper. So actually sometimes this part may come out. So we have to take it properly and stick it more strongly. Or you have to give it some time to dry as well. But I prefer use tape more because it will be more stronger. So I'm taking some glitter paper like this. And now I'm just going to be rolling it on the outside part. So you guys can use a normal white paper as well. But if you use that, it will just be simple and boring, but if you use glitter paper, it will look more realistic. And if you guys have seen firecrackers, it will look like this, the paper. So I'm just applying some glue over here and I'm sticking it onto the other part as well. So as I said, you guys can give it to your children, and for the small children it will look more realistic. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue on this part, on both sides of the paper over here, on both the sides. Now I'm just going to be pressing this paper. Since we pressed it, there will be a small opening over here. I'm just going to be taking this part and I'm going to be squeezing it inside. So if there's not a hole, you guys can take the scissor and poke it a little bit. The hole will usually be there, but we have to poke it so that the hole can come out. So as you guys can see, the hole is there, and I'm just going to be piercing this over here in the center part. You can put it at the bottom or down part as well. So after we complete this, our paper cone wheel firecracker is ready. So as I said, in Tamil we call this as a busmanam. So you guys can use the cracking thing. Then if you can put fire over here and it will start spinning, but this one won't work really, but in general for firecracker it will work like this. So as I said, this is a very easy way of making a paper cone wheel firecracker or Sangu Chakaram, and it is useful too. So if your children are small, you can give it to them, and I already said that in the beginning as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So I want to wish you all a very advanced Diwali, and I'll be posting more videos about this, and this can also be as a home decor for Diwali as well. So you guys can continue watching my channel, and I'll be posting more videos for Diwali. And once again, I wish you all a very happy advanced Diwali. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So I want to thank you all for supporting me and my channel, and keep watching my videos and supporting me. So bye.